This is the 5-inch black cutlery set, and the brand did send me a free one so I could check it out and create this video today. So I wanted to show you how elegant and stylish this cutlery set is. Now the first thing you're going to notice is it does have this mirrored high polished appearance. Also comes in several different patterns. This one is the Damask rose. It also comes in butterfly, jungle, and leopard. Now these are very special forks, spoons, and knives, and the reason why is because you can see they are made out of stainless steel and are very solid. When you press down over here, no movement. Very, very well built. But what's more than that is that these are elegant. You're gonna get 4 dinner spoons with this beautiful pattern here. You're gonna get 4 dinner forks. You're gonna get 4 dinner knives. Then you're gonna get 4 salad forks so you can enjoy some salad, and 4 teaspoons as well. They really do add a special and unique flair to any dinner or lunch that you may be having. They're dishwasher safe, and I would highly recommend these for anyone who wants some elegant cutlery set for everyday use or special occasions.